Hello and welcome to another update video about Chainlink. Yeah, it's been a quiet Saturday, which is good for me because it gives me the chance to catch up on some of the other coins that I haven't covered so often, like for example Chainlink. But to be fair, the price action hasn't really changed from my last videos, but still a lot of people ask me for a Chainlink update, so there we go. We can still currently assume, again, it's the same story like for many other cryptos. We can carefully assume that the low was in for Chainlink here at around $5.28, just below the 88.7% Fibonacci retracement level at $6. Bear in mind, here for Chainlink, we are still in the overall accumulation area. This is the area here in yellow that I expected already back in November the price to get into and to reverse. This is the area where Polygon has already moved out of and has made, I don't know, 100%, more than 100%, 200%, yeah, roughly. Chainlink is still in this area, yeah, and if you believe in Chainlink, then it might be worth thinking about accumulating in this area. That's actually what it's for, this yellow area, and I can't tell you what to do, but these are the areas where I believe those prices, those charts are gonna get the turnaround, and Chainlink is still in this area where some other cryptos have already left this area, like Quant, like Polygon, okay? So all of that has worked out nicely. I made you aware of this descending wedge, out of which Chainlink has broken out of. However, Chainlink has so far not yet produced super bullish price action, which is actually good for anybody who still wants to accumulate Chainlink or Link. So let's take a look again at the 1 hour chart where we currently are. Again, like with many other cryptos, I'm telling you we can be carefully confident that the low is in, because at the current moment, especially as long as we are in this yellow area, nothing is, we can't rule out anything. It's just the more evidence we see in the Elliott wave patterns that we see more and more bullish price action and more bullish Elliott wave patterns, we can come to the conclusion that with a higher and higher probability, the low is already in. So at the moment we can count here a series of ones. So basically 5 wave patterns to the upside. We have here a wave 1 to the upside, and then we came down in a wave A, moved up in a B, and came down in a C to complete this wave 2. Based on that, we would now assume we are in a wave 3. The standard textbook target for this white wave 3 is, and I think that's unchanged from the previous video, it would normally be 937, just below that wave 4 high here from the 9th of June. However, because we already have another 1-2 set up here, and I'm showing you in a minute we've got another 1-2 set up, we have to look at higher prices, and I'm looking here at the 2.618 extension for this wave 3. That is the 1165 level. I wouldn't be surprised if we stop for a moment here at the 78.6% Fib level, the upper band basically of my yellow target area. This is the 78.6% Fib level at 1136. Now within this white wave 3, we've got the green wave count here, a wave 1 and a wave 2, and we are now in this green wave 3. However, as you can see, we moved up in another wave 1 of the wave 3, because the wave 3 in itself, it is, what is it? It's another 5 wave move. So let me just adjust this slightly here, but you can see that we made another wave 1 there in green, we made a wave 2 in green, and we are now in this third wave in green as well. Now in the third wave, as I said, we've produced another wave 1. And we've produced a wave 2. This cannot be a 3 and 4 because this wave came down too much to be a wave 4. It cut into the price region of the wave 1. Not possible. Okay? Right. So from that point of view, we can now assume, as long as this wave 2 low is holding, which is at $7, that we are in the wave 3 in yellow. That is, bear in mind, the wave 3 of the wave 3 of the wave 3. It's a pattern in which a lot of cryptos currently are. And if this is the real pattern, yeah, and we can definitely count it like that. So it's a valid count, absolutely. If this is a valid pattern, this is a bullish setup for continuation. All provided that the $7 level is holding. Even if the $7 level isn't holding, we're going to come down lower. I would look at the 50-day moving average here in yellow to find support, which is currently at 673. Obviously, it's at a dynamic level. If we drop below that, we can find support at $6.10, which is the green wave 2. And only if we lose that, I think we're going to see another lower low below $5.30. 30. So that would then imply that the overall correction wasn't finished yet. But as long as these levels are holding, especially the wave 2 in yellow, we can focus on higher. What would be the yellow target for the wave 3? We can calculate that as well. Textbook target would be the 1.618 extension, and you can see that actually already the yellow wave 3 should take us to 1048. That seriously will make us reconsider the green wave and the white wave targets, so they will be massively higher if this is playing out. What do we expect next for the bulls? Well, they've taken already out the previous wave 1 high here at $7.50, so we're going higher. Important is here to break now for the bulls the wave 1 high here at 820. If we break the 820 high, I think we can go all the way up to 960, the previous wave 4 high, and then obviously would move higher. Okay, and that is currently my view about Chainlink. So it's currently looking good. Yeah, we just need to hold here those lows. You can also, as support, draw you an ascending trend line here for anybody who's doing any short-term trading. We're also moving in what you could consider an ascending wedge here at the moment. That's generally not a problem, because what you would expect if we finish this yellow wave count, you would expect the move to the downside anyway. But we can at any point break out of that to the upside. Just be aware of it. You would consider that a bearish pattern, but we've seen those break to the upside as well. So I wouldn't pay too much attention to it, but still worth following it. All right, and that is currently my view of Chainlink. So hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.